Over the years, I've consistently explored the evolution of workflow automation through computer-based solutions. However, a conversation with my father, who came from the printing world, revealed a fascinating perspective. He was selling workflow automation as far back as the 1970s and 80s, but it wasn't with computers, it was with the humble 3-part carbon paper. My name is Damien Andrews, and I'm the founder and director of Dejon Data Management. In this post, I wanted to dive into the 3-part carbon paper revolution, as I never realised the effects such a simple product had on the business world, and how it laid down the basis for workflow automation in the working office. For those unfamiliar, 3-part carbon paper, also called carbonless or NCR paper, creates multiple copies of a document simultaneously without using separate carbon sheets. It's commonly used for invoices, receipts and contracts. When pressure was applied, typically by handwriting or the old dot matrix printer, the ink transferred to the sheets below, creating duplicate or triplicate copies in one go. This ingenious invention allowed businesses to save time by eliminating the need for repetitive retyping, making it an early yet effective form of automation. What's particularly intriguing is that despite carbon paper being a workplace staple over half a century ago, the same principles and benefits that drive today's workflow solutions applied back then. Increased efficiency, reduction in time spent on administrative tasks, freeing up your employee time and allowing businesses to focus on customer satisfaction. Even in its simplest form, workflow automation has always been about making work easier, faster and more effective. In its prime, carbon paper revolutionised industries like finance, logistics and manufacturing. Banks used it for receipts and record keeping, logistics companies relied on it for shipping forms, and government agencies used it to streamline document duplication. Although the technology was simple, it marked a major shift from entirely manual processes to semi-automated workflows, setting the stage for the digital transformation we see today. In fact, traces of this old technology still exist in our modern office tools. CC and BCC in emails stand for carbon copy and blind carbon copy, terms that originated from the use of carbon paper. It's a small but fascinating reminder that even as we move forward, some elements of past technologies continue to shape how we work today, often without us even realising it. At Dejon, we build on this legacy by helping businesses embrace modern workflow automation and digital transformation. Our tailored solutions simplify document management, automate repetitive processes and reduce administrative burdens, empowering businesses to focus on growth and customer satisfaction. Just as carbon paper laid down the groundwork for innovation in its time, we aim to be the foundation for your business's digital success. Whether you're starting your digital transformation journey or optimizing existing workflows, Dejon Data Management is here to help you turn your challenges into opportunities and stay ahead in an ever-evolving technological landscape. Let us partner with you to unlock the potential of digital automation.